Go and have some more.
Shall I eat your pudding?
No.
You don't like the pudding? Well, Daddy will eat it.
No. I want to see me.
No, you can have a look at it in a minute. Eat your
Eat-
pudding first.
Eat some more, come on.
I want to see it.
In a minute. Go eat your pudding first.
I want to look at it.
In a minute.
I want to see it.
In a minute. Eat your pudding.
I want to see it.
Eat your pudding and then I'll play it.
I want to see it.
How's your pudding, Ned?
Better.
It's better. Better than what?
Ice cream.
Better than ice cream.
Yeah.
Ooh. Cool. Have you finished?
No, not yet.
One more mouthful then. It's that face when he's putting his spoon in. Do you like Angel Delight?
Yeah.
Is it delicious or disgusting?
Delicious. It's not as good enough skin. It's not the skin. It's not the skin.
It's delicious, yeah?
Yeah. It's not disgusting.
Yay!
It's not disgusting.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
Disgusting.